In fabricating a maglock check socket, we want to make sure not to reduce the distal half of our mold. Otherwise, it can artificially make adhering the lock difficult. We want to be within 3 to 4 millimeters to make contact consistently. So if we do not reduce like a pin lock, we should be able to make contact with the maglock. We don't want it too loose though. So make sure that you're close to your skin tension measurements with the liner on. When we deliver the prosthesis, it's important to instruct the patient on proper donning and doffing. We want to make sure that they remember to turn on the lock by sliding the lever and making sure they make good contact. Also check to make sure that it's adhered properly.